Hi guys, just doing another bonus video. It's still Thursday, April 8th, 2021. You know, I was looking at some old footage last night regarding this space. And, you know, I thought I should share a quick video just showing you folks, you know, what I did to turn this area into what it is today. It was a lot of work. I have several videos dedicated toward the work, but I thought I'll just break that footage down into maybe a 5-6 minute video so you just see the work. Some of the videos are over 10 to 15 minutes, and I understand a lot of folks don't want to sit through all that, but I'm just going to show you a bonus video and, you know, just sit back and enjoy. All right, hang tight. Meanwhile, I have a lot to do. What I'll be doing is putting some bricks directly under the plywood. I'm just trying to, I just want the bricks just right directly under the plywood like I was saying before. So that's it, nothing special. Just don't want any critters going under the house. So stuff like this, just gonna pull and get out of here. What I'll do is clean this area up first. Let's get in there. I'm getting a little tired. It's a lot better off. Just had to make sure I was gonna come out a foot from the old stump. After all the work, I'm only gonna use the fabric that's under the remaining mulch. The rest of this area is gonna get new fabric. After this last pile, it'll be time to spray for weeds. Alright, spray this area, make sure no weeds are coming. This doesn't need a whole lot. As this dries, I'll just paint. You even get the stuff nobody's looking at. I think I put the no-dig edge around. Right, I'm ready to crack these bad boys open and spread them across the mulch bed. I'll just do it by eye. It's a little better. Just gonna put the fabric down. This is going to be it for now. I'm gonna go in and take a look at my notes. Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. We're back to put the finishing touches on the mulch bed. Here we go. Let's just get rid of this first. Stop as many weeds from coming through as you possibly can. I think it's even more centered now, so I just add a piece here. I think I just throw some dirt in the middle. Make it look real nice. Time to add the no-dig edger. I got the first one in. So I'm just gonna stretch it. Nothing to it really. So what I'll do is cut the excess fabric. I'll remove the excess fabric. So what I'll do, I could just add a little dirt in the process of spreading the mulch, and then I'll add the new mulch. Got a nice breeze going. So estimated 8 in the rectangle, and then 3 in the smaller rectangle. Yeah, the calculations were dead on. There's plenty of in this area. I'm just gonna lay it down and spread it out. I had to use additional bags, so instead of 1 inch, I think I needed about 2 inches worth. I don't mean to toot my own horn, people, but it came out extremely well. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It looks great. And even in areas like this where no one's looking, always do as if somebody will look. So that was back here, it looks great. Just everywhere. Putting the bag of topsoil around the tree. Just to make it bit more vibrant, I guess, or a little more richer. Turned out well. Really did. That's it for now. Have more work to do. There you have it. So we're back here again, and I plan on doing great things. You guys take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.